How's it going, guys? Vaibhav here, and I'm here at Jumbo Electronics at Mall of the Emirates here in Dubai to check out the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. This is Samsung's S series flagship for 2020, and I wanted to check it out because Jumbo Electronics have a lot of offers going on for this smartphone, which we'll get to in a bit. But let's go ahead and unbox the phone and see what comes inside with the packaging. So as you can see, one of the boxes that includes a lot of the accessories of the phone actually sticks to the top of the box, which is something that Samsung's designed with the S20 Ultra packaging. So it's really nice to see. And the first thing you get out of the box is the phone itself. This is in the cosmic black color finish. It's got 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.0 storage, which means you're going to get faster read and write speeds and all of that great stuff. Now on the front, you find a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel at a full 120 Hz refresh rate, which means smooth performance when you're scrolling through web pages or gaming. And it's a big enough display for pretty much anything. You can scroll through your social media feeds, you can watch your favorite videos, and you also get stereo speakers in there. Now, the back of the phone also houses a quad camera setup. This is a quad camera setup made up of a 108 megapixel primary camera, a 48 megapixel periscope camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a 0.3 megapixel VGA or TOF 3D camera as well. So all in all, if you want to zoom in on your subjects, you're going to get up to 100 times space zoom. You can get up to 10x hybrid zoom on the phone as well. And pretty much for any scenario, whether you want to zoom out with the ultra wide angle lens, you're covered. Whether you want to take videos, you get up to 8K video at 24 FPS on this thing, with optical image stabilization up to 4K video. So pretty much if you want the best specifications for a flagship device, this is the phone to get. Close knitting all of those specifications, you also find the Exynos 990 octa-core processor on the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, which means blazing fast 5G speeds when you're on the go, and a 5000 mAh battery, which can last you easily between 1 to 2 days depending on your usage, but you'll never run out of battery with wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, as well as wired charging capabilities on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Complementing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G smartphone, you also get a ton of accessories with the device provided out of the box. You get a 25-watt fast charger, which has a Type-C USB input, as well as a Type-C USB input on the other side for the smartphone, as well as a pair of AKG wired headphones, which you can connect to your smartphone for a better music listening experience. And lastly, we come to this box that we talked about initially at the start of the video, which happens to have the SIM ejector tool to either change your SIM card or to expand the memory on the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Up to 1 terabyte expansion is supported via microSD on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And inside this box, you also find another few accessories. You find a ton of paperwork as well as a case. And the case is really important because this means you can pretty much plop on the case as soon as you unbox the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So you not only get protection on the exterior, but also it complements well with the internal protection of the phone, which is IP68 certification for both dust and water resistance. Currently, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G is available as a DSF offer exclusively at Jumbo Electronics for 3,799 dirhams. This is a 450 dirhams saving over its original price tag of 4,249 dirhams, and you can also get this phone in installment plans via certain banks at 177 dirhams per month. Not just that, the offer also includes a ton of other accessories bundled with this smartphone. So if you were to pick up the smartphone, you also get a Marshall Major 3 headset, a Ferrari backpack, a Pebble Bluetooth speaker, as well as an extra case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra if you were to go for this offer. So if you want the best offers in the UAE in terms of technology and electronics, make sure you visit Jumbo Electronics, where you not only get all of these goodies, but also things like Jumbo Salama for extended warranty, next day delivery, as well as express delivery.